everyone, welcome to my video for the Save the YouTuber hub. I'm going to work in my art journal, and first I'm going to do to add some gesso to the page to prepare it for the paint. I will be using three colors, deep turquoise and teal mint and flamingo, and I will also be using this stencil. I think the background is finished now. I used decoupage glue with a transfer sheet, and next I used a stamp with black ink and another stamp with white paint, and I have some white paint left, so I think I will make a border around it. And next I will be stamping the focal image and coloring it, cutting it out, and glue it to the background. I've stamped the Gorjuss stamp and colored it using pencils and paper stamp and Orderless white mineral spirit. I've cut it out, and next I'm going to add some black pencil around the edges, because if you cut it out you will see some of the white of the paper showing, and I don't like that. When I've done that, I will adhere it to the background here using matte medium, this one, and then the page will be ready. So this was my contribution to the Save the YouTuber hop. The link to the next person in the hop will be in the comment box below. I hope you will subscribe and like this video and enjoy the rest of the hop. Bye!